Okay, hello, hello, hello. Now, so this is the Druzy bauble. So as you see, I used the Druzy mould we got from Sophie and Toffee, and I just used a centrepiece with several layers of UV resin and some luster mica, some pearl glitter, and then kind of created a false back, and then glued that with UV resin in place. Used some of my mermaid, I call it my mermaid glitter, handmade craft glitter, and super chunky pearl, and then did the edges in silver. Well, it's sort of like, say silver, it's metallic flakes. It's basically a craft store one. It's not sort of anything expensive or anything. I think they cost me £1 a tube from my local craft store. Then I have silver glittered the top of the thing, and then I'm just going to glue that in place with some resin. You can use glue. I use super glue for lots of things, but I do get a little bit messy and a little bit stuck together. So where I can, I use UV resin because I'm a bit clumsy. So I'm just going to do one across the back, and then I'll try and get the UV light inside. Is that nice? So push that one, and I'll turn it round so that the UV, because this is clear plastic, the UV obviously will go through the plastic, so it will enable me to cure from the inside and the outside. If you were to glue this or something that was opaque with UV resin, it doesn't go so well. I wanted to silver leaf with the flakes the top, but because the silver is opaque, it wouldn't have adhered very well to the metal. So let's turn it round and put a little bit more on the inside, here and here, and through there. Oh wow, I'm sliding all over the place now. I have glitter everywhere. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you will know I make a mess with glitter all over the place. But hey, what's a little bit of sparkle in your life? Who minds that? Who minds that? I certainly don't. Absolutely not a bit. Okay, bear with me one moment while I see how much you can see. Okay, so I hope you like it. I love it. I'm going to do some different colours. I think I'm going to do blue, and then I'd like to do a rose gold, since I've got the rose gold caps. These baubles were just from the range, they were from my local craft store. They came in 4s, and they were about £3 for the 4. So with this I'm going to get like 8 halves. My daughter's already asking me if she can decorate one, so I'll let her do hers with glitter and glue and stuff rather than the resin. And then she can pick some colours. But I love it. It's so sparkly, it's so pretty. I've got glitter all over the back of it, but that's some of it's meant to be, some of it isn't. But I love it. It's going to look so pretty on the Christmas tree. Yeah, I think they're beautiful, and there are lots of other ways to make these. I've seen some people do it where they sort of break holes in the front, but I quite liked my way. again, if you've been watching me for some time, you'll know that if I see an idea, something that inspires me, I like to make up my own way of doing it. I do not like to copy people. I like to make up my own way, and my own way sometimes isn't as good as theirs, or sometimes it works out better than I thought, and I love it. But it's my way. I like to invent my own way to do things, and that's just me. I like to put my own twist on things, I like to put my own spin, and you know. But if you want to have a go at this, and you want to do it my way, absolutely go ahead. And yeah, I think they're beautiful. I just love them. I think and they're so Christmassy, they're so sparkly and snowy. That's why I like the sort of the pearl, the white, because it reminds me of snow and snowflakes and pretty. Anyway, I'll do some more colours and I'll show you those in some photos at the end before we go. But thank you ever so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed my videos. Yeah, it means the world to me, and it lets YouTube know that I'm doing something right and that you thought it was good. So thank you ever so much, take care, and I'll see you later. And I'm covered in glitter.